What's the difference between legal separation and divorce?
A legal separation, originally it was kind of popular because people would file for a separation, but they didn't qualify for an actual divorce, typically because of their religious background. They wouldn't qualify for a Catholic divorce or a Jewish divorce or something within their faith. But more times than not, it's filed nowadays because people want to maintain the status, the marital status in place, typically for health insurance purposes. Someone will file for legal separation because perhaps they're in their early 60s and they want to keep their marital status in place until they turn 65 or something, and when they're eligible for Medicare, for instance. But probably they're more often than not, it's actually filed. The actual legal separation is filed to gain jurisdictional preference for a certain venue, and that would be, say, somebody just moved to San Diego County and they were living in Los Angeles County, and they want to proceed with their divorce, for instance, in San Diego. They wouldn't normally be able to file for a dissolution of marriage in San Diego until they've been in the county for 3 months, because that's where you have to be within the state of California for 6 months and within a particular county for 3 months before you can file for a divorce, which is a dissolution of marriage. But you can file a legal separation at any time when you first move. So if you want jurisdiction to be in your county as opposed to, say, like where your spouse, what county they're in, you could do it that way, then amend it to a dissolution later. But as far as what issues are contained within a legal separation, it's all the same issues that are part of a dissolution of marriage. Say, for instance, custody and visitation, child support, spouse support, property division, attorney's fees. All those things can be dealt with within a legal separation. The only difference is you can't actually terminate the marital status within a legal separation. You'd have to either file a separate dissolution of marriage or amend it to a dissolution of marriage in order to actually terminate the marital status. And in a dissolution, obviously that's the divorce case that's filed, that's the underlying case, and within that case you can request orders or come to an agreement regarding orders for custody and visitation, for child support and spouse support and property division and attorney's fees and whatever other issues that come up.